Hey there awesome folks, welcome back to our channel where we spice up your study abroad journey with some seriously cool tips and tricks. This is Sanskriti, your study abroad buddy, and today we are going to dive into a world of IELTS tips. I know it is a wild ride without adequate preparation, but don't you worry, I'm here to help you through with this. Well, starting with, it is a 3-hour test which evaluates your language skills. That is, reading, writing, listening and speaking. So grab a seat, get cozy and let's dive into IELTS hacks. Let's start with the listening part. Imagine you're in the listening exam, all set to conquer it. But first things first, double check those microphones. If they are acting up, don't be shy and raise that hand. Here's a nifty trick. Use the prep time to sneak peek at those questions and get acquainted with. When the recording starts playing, be the Sherlock Holmes. Focus on the important part and not every single word. Oh, and remember that the recording plays only once. Keep that trusty question paper nearby and take notes. But don't exceed the word limit. Before you hit submit, make sure you do a quick spell check and grammar check. You have got this. Now on to the reading part. Examine the graphs, images or figures on the question paper very carefully. Be precise, my friends. And in case if any question is causing you any trouble, don't dwell on it. Move on to the next one. While attempting this section, make sure that you understand the questions very carefully and focus on finding answers from the passage. And don't waste time writing on the question paper, because you won't be given any extra time to transfer those answers later. Time to tackle the writing task. While preparing for this section, make sure you divide your time smartly. Give 20 minutes to task 1 and 40 minutes to task 2. Write over 150 words in task 1 and around 250 words for task 2. In this exam, avoid repetition of words, phrases or ideas. And make sure you write in active voice and avoid using passive. Now let's chat about the speaking part. Clear and confident, that's your mantra. Listen to the questions carefully and give them direct answers. No long pauses because they are kind of score killers. Focus on your vocabulary, tenses, grammar and sentence structure as they are equally important. Make sure you shine bright in this speaking spotlight. Quick tips for the test day. Yes, finally the big day is here. Don't stress because we have got some quick tips for the day. First, make sure that you carry relevant ID proofs and documents that you have used in the application process. Second, no watches are allowed inside the exam hall. Third, make sure that you cross-check the exam venue, time and date and have enough travel time to avoid being late. Fourth, listen to the supervisor's instructions carefully and ask again if you have any doubts. Fifth, don't take away the question paper and the answer sheet. Sixth point and the most important one, try attempting all questions as there is no negative marking. So that's all folks for the IELTS tips. Make sure that you don't delay anymore and start preparing for your exams now. All the very best and may the stars and force be with you. Also, stay connected with University Living for more such interesting tips and content. This is Sanskriti signing off. See you all in the next video.